Install the upper and lower holder bracket and tighten with screws. Position the pressure gun here when it's not being used. The pressure washer has a siphon hose and a high-pressure hose. Attach the filter to the siphon hose and connect the other side to the water inlet port. Connect one side of the high-pressure hose to the water outlet port and the other side to the short pressure gun. Attach the threaded end of the wand to the internal threaded end of the lance and tighten them securely. Insert the lance into the quick coupler of the gun and screw the knob securely. The pressure washer has 5 types of nozzles: 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo, and rinse. Except for the rinse nozzle, which can only be connected directly to the gun, all the nozzles can be connected to the wand. The nozzles can be stored in the nozzle storage when not in use. The detergent can be filled into the foam cannon to perform deep cleaning. Turn the knob to adjust the amount of detergent added to the water flow according to your needs. The foam cannon can be connected to the gun. Always connect the siphon hose with the water supply and connect the high-pressure hose with the gun before starting the machine. Attach the battery pack and turn on the pressure washer. Use the speed button to switch between high, turbo, and low level. Press the unlock side of the button to activate the trigger. The speed can be adjusted on the pressure gun during spraying. Remember not to clean cars with turbo nozzle. If one battery pack is used, the turbo speed will not be achieved unless 2 battery packs are used. To replace the battery, open the battery cover and carefully remove it with a screwdriver. The battery model required for the pressure gun is CR2032. Tilt the new battery and insert it below the 2 clips in the battery compartment, then close the cover. To pair the pressure washer with the gun, power on the machine and long press the speed button until 3 green lights start flashing. Then long press the speed button on the gun until it displays 3 green lights, indicating the pairing is successful.